Okay, so how to use Illustrator. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go find this file here and click on that and open up, and you'll end up with a page that looks like that. Okay, let's talk about the controls. If you hold the control button down and you go minus, it shrinks. If you hit plus, it scrolls up. It's not like Inventor where you use the wheel on your mouse. Doesn't the wheel on your mouse just makes it go up and down? Okay. So what's another important feature? See this here? This is called your selection tool. And if we click on that, guess what? I can select all these different elements here. So I can just drag those around. I can put them anywhere I want. Okay, so that's easy. If you want to put things back, you just hold down your control button and hit Control Z, and everything goes back into place. The other really cool thing I can do is I can hit Control C, Control V, and I can copy them. Okay, and Control C, Control V, and away I go. Um, what about text? I can grab that, Control C, Control V, and I can zoom in here, Control plus. And if I double click on that, okay, you can see once I get this little icon up here, I can go in there and I can delete it. Because I like this because you write in whatever you want to write in, blah blah. But remember, everything's in uppercase, so make sure you use capital letters. Control minus to back right out. Okay, so that's looking absolutely fantastic. Control Z, I'll put everything back where it was, and it's looking fantastic. Now, I want you to take 4 images of desk tidies that you think look really, really good. So where are 4 desk tidies that look really, really, really good? If you go to OneNote and look in desk tidies, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I want you to pick 4 that you think you could base your design on. So see this one here? I can either click on that and then right click and then left click copy, or if you want you could use the snipping tool and snip an image if you wish, and then I'm going to go back into Illustrator. I'm going to go Control V, and there it is there. If you want to adjust the size of that, okay, see this? It won't let me adjust anything. That's because look, see it's on T because I was typing before. Got to come back to my selection tool. Okay, and now look, I can get that there. If I hold my Control Shift button down, that'll let me scale it down like that. Okay, if I don't have a Shift button, what I can do is I can stretch it out, and I can actually modify the shape a little bit if I want to. And I might want a longer, flatter object like that. So I'm going to take that, and if I'm happy with that, I'm going to then copy all these here and put them over there. So why don't I go and click on that, Control C, Control V, and I'll put that comment there, that smiley face there. So a smiley face represents something that you're happy with. Okay, and the red face, um, well, something that you're not happy with or something that you think that could be improved. So that's what that means there. It's a really easy way to distinguish between positive comments and comments that you think represent um, things that could be improved. So we'll put that over there like that, and I've just copied that. I was supposed to copy that, wasn't I? Silly me. Okay, so click on that, Control C, Control V, and I should copy. Oh, there it is there. Thank you very much. You can come back there. And so what I want you to do is put all those things on there. Now, when you go to put things, sometimes you might find, okay, that, see how that's over the top, and that's over the top, and that one's going behind it for some reason. Well, you can get around that problem by just right click and go to transform, and then arrange, see what it says arrange, and bring to front. And now it's sitting over the front of it. So that's an easy way to fix it up. What if your arrow is facing the wrong way? Well, you can go here, right click, and transform and reflect. Okay? And then that's look good. Or if you want to turn it around, you can spin it around like that. Or if you want to stretch it out or make it bigger, you can. Or if you want to make it a little bit skinnier like that, you can. So let's zoom in on that very quickly. Okay, so you can manipulate um, all these shapes, or these arrows I should say, to get it exactly how you want it. Okay, so you have a bit of fun with that. Then you should have a page that's got 4 images, okay, 4 smiley faces, 4 sad faces, and um, 8 comments, okay, 4 positive and 4 suggested improvements or refinements you could make, and that's sheet 2 completed. Once you've got that done, you just go File and Save As, and what you need to do is you need to save it as a PDF. When we save things as a PDF, okay, what we can do is just, whoop, don't worry about that. We can go File, Save As, and give it a name. I'm going to call it Sheet 2. Okay, and go Save. And then make sure you got all these boxes ticked, okay, because sometimes the images won't come through if you don't save those pictures won't appear. Go Save PDF, and there it is there. Absolutely fantastic. Rightio, if you've got any questions, you can come and email Mr. Wagner, or you can email me. Email Mr. Wagner or email me. I'm the same person. Or you can talk to your teacher, or you can come and actually knock on my door and come and see me at some stage, and I can help you with this. So best of luck with Illustrator. It's pretty straightforward and it's pretty good fun. Bye for now.